Hello everyone, today we are reviewing BedStory's 3-inch memory foam topper. Alright, so this is how it comes. It comes sealed. Now, I recommend having this on your bed when you do this because once you open it up, it's going to spread out and it's going to get much thicker. It just makes it easier from having to haul it from, wherever you are. Okay, this is what it looks like once on. Now give it a full day to have a chance to swell up. And it will even out. You have these little straps that you put underneath your mattress. I think my wife and I have the world's softest bed. Because, well, my friends, first of all, we have a pillow top mattress. Then we have a 3-inch memory foam topper. Then we have a 1-inch pillow top topper. And now we have a 3-inch memory foam topper. Ugh. And my friends, this is super soft. Now, you will notice that there is a smell. It's always a chemical smell. Every single memory foam product that I have reviewed in the last 5+ years, they've all had that smell. So please plan ahead. Don't just unwrap this and then go to bed after an hour. It's probably gonna stink. What I recommend doing is, number 1, open your windows if you can. Number 2, open this up and let it set for at least, I would say, do it early in the morning. If you can set your alarm and wake up and set this out, do it. Because that's going to help the smell spread and get away. But overall, guys, very soft. I can't wait till tonight. We got the world's softest bed, and I'm feeling all right.